We are pleased to show you the 2010 Santa Fe. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, luggage rack, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, heated seats, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, dual airbags, adjustable headrests, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.